avid golfer, usually played almost every day for years. That's probably what caused wear and tear on my knee.
So what I want to do is I want to assess what your pain is in that knee before and after the treatment. Do you think you can step up? How bad was that for you?
That's probably an 8.
An 8 as well.
When you're in a lot of pain, you know, you want to try. And I was not the type of person that could, take medicine, pain pills and stuff like that. I just didn't do it. I started kind of asking around about this treatment and how it relieved you of your pain, up until you had your surgery. And really, the recovery is so fast that I was all for it.
Perfect. Now let's go ahead and get up here in the bed, and now we're going to go ahead and do the procedure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the ultrasound machine. We're going to find out exactly where all those nerves are. We're going to use some numbing medicine, numb up the skin. We're going to numb up the nerve, and then we'll go in there and we'll freeze that nerve.
I'm the type of person, that will do whatever is necessary, to get well, and with the iovera help, it looks like to me that it's going to be an easier process.
There we are, all done. All right, you ready to stand up?
You think I can?
Let's see. See if you can stand on up there.
I'll be darned.
Way different.
Way different.
Before you were really struggling and you fell back down and you got back up.
But I think I can do it. Look at that.
Look at there. Any pain doing that?
No.
So we went from 8 and now
0.
you're pain-free.
I'm 0.
There you go, my friend.
Oh, that's amazing, Doc.
You're very welcome.
I'm not the hugging type of person. If I was, I'd hug you. I'm really happy about this new process. It's been a blessing to me.